Hector, I'm gonna direct this one at you first. Do you feel that the El Paso Juarez region, based on the accelerated growth that we've had and infrastructure that we're starting to put in place, the repatriation that we're seeing from Asia back into the U.S., do you think that we'll be able to distinguish ourselves from other medical research parks? And is it a distinguished product? So is it a certain product family that El Paso Juarez will be known for, or is it our agility in being able to produce a bunch of different types of products that we need to kind of take a hold of and continue to push on?
My point of view is that we have an opportunity in the next 12 months because the United States is trying to bring meat production from China to United States. And also there are companies overseas that are thinking to produce close to the United States. And also El Paso Juarez has a unique position. This is in the center of the United States. We are overnight to East Coast to overnight to West Coast. We are a very good weather to produce medical devices. We have a premature capabilities because we produce medical devices the last 20 years. We are some capabilities in the area that can supply the companies that are thinking to produce devices here. I think that we have a very good opportunity for the next 12 months or couple of years for produce medical devices.